Hey, this is Andrew Brown from Exam Pro, and we are looking at text analytics. And this is a service for NLP, so natural language processing, for text mining and text analysis. So, text analytics can perform sentiment analysis, so find out what people think about your brand or topic. So, features provide sentiment labels such as negative, neutral, positive. Then you have opinion mining, which is an aspect-based sentiment analysis. It's for granular information about the opinions related to aspects. Then you have key phrase extraction, so quickly identify the main concepts in text. You have language detection, so detect the language of an inputted text that it's written in. And you have name entity recognition, so NER, so identify and categorize entities in your text as people, places, objects, and quantities. And subset of NER is personally identifiable information, so PIIs. Let's just look at a few of these more in detail. Some of them are very obvious, but some of these would help to have an example. So the first we're looking at is key phrase extraction. So quickly identify the main concepts in text. So key phrase extraction works best when you give it bigger amounts of text to work on. This is the opposite of sentiment analysis, which performs better on smaller amounts of text. So document sizes can be 5,000 or fewer characters per document. And you can have up to 1,000 items per collection. So imagine you have a movie review with a lot of text in here and you want to extract out the key phrases. So here it identified board, ship, enterprise, surface, travels, things like that. Then you have named entity recognition. So this detects words and phrases mentioned in unstructured data that can be associated with one or more semantic types. And so here's an example. I think this is medicine based. And so the idea is that it's identifying these words or phrases, and then it's applying a semantic type. So it's saying like this is a diagnosis, this is a medication class, and stuff like that. Semantic type could be more broad, so there's location, event, I put location twice here, person, diagnosis, age, and there is a predefined set, I believe, that is in Azure that you should expect, but they have a generic one, and then there's one that's for health. We're looking at sentiment analysis. This graphic makes it make a lot more sense when we're splitting between sentiment and opinion mining. But the idea here is that sentiment analysis will apply labels and confidence scores to text at the sentence and document level. And so labels can include negative, positive, mixed, or neutral, and it will have a confidence score ranging from 0 to 1. And so over here, we have a sentiment analysis of this line here, and it's saying that this was a negative sentiment. But look, there's something that's positive, and there's something that's negative. So was it really negative? And that's where opinion mining gets really useful, because it has more granular data where we have a subject and we have an opinion. Right, and so here we can see the room was great, but the staff was unfriendly and negative. So we have a bit of a split there, okay?